Hi, welcome. This is Amanda with Tanner Communications. I'm just going to do a quick overview of how to use the new call parking feature inside your Elevate app. You may already have buttons on your phone that say Park 1 and 2 and Transfer Park. You can actually add this into your desktop app now. I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. If you come down here to your settings, here I have a picture loaded. If you don't have one, you can do that right up here. I'm going to come to Call Settings. And then scroll down to the bottom. Down here, there is a new feature that says call parking. Mine is toggled on, but yours is likely toggled off. So just turn it till it turns blue. It will automatically save those changes up here. So now when I come to my calling tab, I have a new tab over here. It says P for parking. So the thing about this is if I have a call parked, I will see it here the same way that on your desktop phone, Park 1 would be lit up red. So really quickly, let's just get a phone call going. All right. Here you can see I have an active phone call. And in my active phone call bar, I do have a button for park here. You should already have this button. When you press this button, it is going to tell you in your ear what extension it's parked on. You will also see it visibly here, as where on your desk phone, you're physically choosing one of the Park 1 or Park 2 buttons. I'm going to go ahead and press this. In my ear, it said call parked on extension 2000. And if I click my parked tab, here you can see that there's a call parked. I would need to page to let somebody know that they have a call, or if I saw them walking by, I might just holler at them. I can then come to anybody's Elevate app and click on my parked calls tab as long as they have it toggled on. And then I want to answer this call, I can hit this button. It takes me back to my active call. So super easy to do. You just have to make sure that you go enable parking so you get this tab, and then you will easily be able to see parked calls through your app. This is very helpful. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully this new feature will help you out and allow you to use your desktop app more.